Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you the Nokia 73 and 90, released in 2006. Let's take a look. There we found a second display with a resolution of 160 by 128 pixels, 3 configurable keys, Nokia logo, Movistar logo. At the bottom, completely nothing. At the left side, infrared port, turn on off button, and Nokia 2mm charger port. At the top, mini USB port for transfer data and jack 3.5mm for audio output to our headphones. At the right side, the camera shutter and volume buttons. At the back, it has 3-megapixel camera with autofocus and a LED flash. Okay, let's open it. This is how it looks. It has 2.3 inches display. There it has frontal camera and also frontal flash. Let's turn it on. You also can control the phone with the turn on off button to select different modes. Okay, exit or select, and there you can put quick access, for example, to the gallery, camera and different things. For example, let's open the camera. There you can see it's working and you can take photos, focus them. Okay, different options. Video recording, activate flash. So let's take a photo. And there I am. With my camera. Okay, you can delete it or save it. Okay, that's a quick access, nothing more. If we open it, this is the main screen from Nokia Symbian S40. The main menu, messages, contacts, call register, gallery, internet browser, navigator, settings, multimedia, apps, organizer, PPH and Emotion, that it's the internet browser from Movistar, the network of the phone. So I want to show you the ringtones, your favorite section about the phone.
O sol já raiou, a alegria é maior, é um estado de paz, olhar para essa luz, recebendo amor, que felicidade em poder sorrir, comunicar-me com você, um alô, sou eu.
A cool thing about the phone is that it has stereo speakers. There is one and there is the second one, okay? Really cool thing about that Nokia. Very similar to the N73. Let's take a look at the message tones. Please like and subscribe for more stuff like this. I recommend you to take a look into my other videos, my playlists from Nokia and other brands. Let's take a look at the dams. Okay. The Nokia demo was set at the intro, so I will skip it. Finally, very similar to another one we saw. And the last demo. Okay, that was all about the dams. Let's take a look at the settings. Connectivity, it has Bluetooth 2.0, radio FM and infrared port. The phone has 21 megabytes of internal memory and you can put a micro SD card slot up to 2 gigabytes. The languages mine include okay. What more about the phone? What it has at the multimedia, camera, video recording, player, music player, radio, voice recorder, equalizer, because a really good thing, as I told you, is the stereo speakers it has. Okay, what's more? At the apps we found some games, Pang Rally 3D, Snake, Sudoku. Okay. At the organizer, alarm, calendar, to do things, notes, calculator, stopwatch. And finally the gallery. Let's take a look at the wallpapers finally. It has at both sizes due to the secondary display. So, screensavers. A Panasonic I uploaded time ago has the same screensaver but as a startup effect or image. So I think I show you everything about the phone. Please comment below what do you think about it. Like and subscribe for more stuff like this. See you soon in my next videos. Bye bye.